Hello, and thank you for joining Paper Crafting with Tracey. Today we're going to be making this simple card here, and this is used just by making a background using Stampin Blends. I would also like to invite you to please subscribe to my channel so you stay up to date on more videos. So the first thing we're going to do, actually the cardstock that we're going to, or the stamp set that we're going to be using today is the Pretty Perennials, and because I really liked this scripty happy in it. So we're going to start with just a piece of basic white cardstock, and it is our standard size of the 3 3/4 by 5 inches. And I'm just taking 3 colors of Stampin Blends. So I'm using here the light Flirty Flamingo, the dark So Saffron, and the light Granny Apple Green. And I'm going to use the paintbrush end. And just on an angle, I'm going to start up here in the corner, and I'm just going to randomly start coloring in. Nothing has to be even, it's just supposed to kind of resemble some paint strokes. Then I'll take the So Saffron, and I'm going to do the same thing here. So this is a really simple, quick card. You could do multiple colors and make more of a rainbow. And then the last one, the Flirty Flamingo. Just go over. And just be careful as to how many times you go over, because it will darken up. Okay, so now I will put our sentiments on there. So I'm just getting the happy, and this time I did a happy birthday here, so I'm going to do happy mail this time. So we'll arrange, what I like to do is arrange it how I want, because these are 2 separate dies. Like so. You could also do this with your Stamparatus. And then I'll just take my clear block, in case you don't have that, and just pick it up. And I'm just going to use my Memento ink. Now my Memento ink needs to be some re-ink on it, so I've got to go over it pretty heavy here to get some even stamping. There we go. Line it up. And there we go. Now I'll use the same Memento, and I just took the flower that's in the stamp set, and I'm just going to randomly put a couple flowers on. And again, I need to re-ink my ink pad there, but it'll get me through this little bit. Okay. And actually, I will take one more piece of the basic white cardstock for the inside, and I'm just going to put one more flower on the inside there. So I'll just ink up my stamp again. There. And now it's just assembly. So this time, I used the Flirty Flamingo for the matting on this one, but I'm going to use the Granny Apple Green. I gotta remember to anchor down my background, the paper. It slides all over the place while I do this. Okay, so matted that one. So our matting is our standard 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. And I'm just going to end up putting this on a piece of basic white thick cardstock for our card base. So I'll get that. We'll crease it up here. I like how the Granny Apple Green really is vibrant. Just like the Flirty Flamingo. Oops. And there we are. We're all done. Our Happy Mail card and our birthday card. So I hope you've enjoyed this video with Paper Crafting with Tracey. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Paper Crafting with Tracey. Happy stamping!